Hello and welcome to another update video about silver. So for silver, it's basically the same scenario that I already outlined in the last video. I'm currently looking at the silver price here in this wave pattern where we are looking at an A, B, C pattern in this wave 2 after we peaked here in wave 1 in August 2020. This wave C consists of 5 waves, and I believe, my view is, that we've done a wave 1, we've done a wave 2, we've come down a wave 3, we're currently doing a wave 4, and that might actually be complete. I think it was already complete in the last video. I think it was. And I believe we could have a really good chance to move down in a 5th wave now, to make one more low and to complete this overall bear market for silver. Yeah, as you can see, silver is or did very recently complete this Elliott wave triangle here, A, B, C, D, E in a wave 4 after it bottomed here locally in a wave 3 in our support area. That was a trend reversal area where we did reverse eventually, yes, but we haven't really moved up impulsively. My primary expectation is to still see one more leg down here. It is possible to already break out from here directly. I find it a bit less likely, I must say. You can see this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, but then I would want to see a move up in the wave 5 now next. So that makes it very simple because we've got 2 very clear scenarios that can be distinguished very nicely. The first scenario is that I'm currently looking here at this wave 4, and it should have peaked. It should have peaked here at $22.30 and should now come down. The overall wave count for this move to the downside would be as follows. I would say this was a wave 1 down, a wave 2 to the upside. There should be a wave 3 down coming next, a wave 4 up, and a wave 5 down into this general long-term support area where we, by the way, already bounced off from here on the 31st of August. So 5 waves down into this area. The area is located between $13.70 and $17.40. We will be able to calculate those targets to the downside a little bit more accurately as we get closer. So this is my primary expectation, because there's a few problems here with this bit, which doesn't make it look very bullish. Yeah, it's rather a corrective wave pattern, which would confirm my view that we will come down here once more lower. Bear in mind that you can also draw here, I think it's something like a descending wedge we can draw. So like that, yeah. So this is generally a overall bullish pattern. So you can expect to break out from here at some point, but this doesn't mean we couldn't go down short term before we go up. Sorry. So is direct breakout possible as well? Yes, it is. And I would then see this here as a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4, but it would now really need to move up in a wave 5. And it hasn't done that yet, and the signal would be a move above $22.20. So if we get above $22.20, I think then we will look at something around the $25 mark for a possible breakout. So we could say that there's a chance this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern, but then I want to see that 5th wave. I need to see that 5th wave, and if I see that, I will step away from my view that this was just an Elliott wave triangle and is going to break down. No, then we can really look at this as a possible breakout pattern to the upside, which is the bullish variant of this view, because we need to bear in mind silver has come into this support area already. The long-term target area, the long-term reversal area, where I believe that this larger wave 2 is going to finish and is turning around. So technically it's possible this move down was already finished and we are back in a bull run, but short-term wave count doesn't really suggest it yet. It's a possibility, but it's not the primary expectation, and that might change if we get a 5th wave here to the upside above that $22, what was it, $22.20 level. And that's my update about silver. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.